we look at this visual coming in from the streets of Lahore. Complete panic. Now, there could be different options here. Remember, these are sounds that have been heard of explosions and blasts. Was it a drill, a mock drill, so to say, that went wrong? Was it explosion of some kind? Or some explosion that possibly Pakistan was attempting that has gone wrong, or any other reason or a source of explosion? But because of the sound that loud, it has got the people of Lahore, especially from certain streets, especially we're told from, this is near the Walton Airport, in the Gopal Nagar and Nasirabad, that people have rushed out on the streets. Developing story, I bring in managing editor Gaurav Sawant for the latest on that. Gaurav, it's after all the city of Lahore. What are you picking up? One or two streets, a loud noise is heard. What is the clarity that you think is coming in right now from the streets? Go ahead, Gaurav.
Pooja, there was tremendous tension on the streets of Lahore, especially in areas like Gulbarg and also the Defence Housing Authority area. Now, these are areas where multiple blasts were heard. There were drones that were seen overhead. There were rumors that a drone was downed. But we are now being told that there is a Pakistani military exercise that's currently underway. Both the Pakistani Air Force and the Lahore Corps, which is situated, very close to this locality, they are carrying out a military exercise, some kind of drills in the skies over Lahore, and perhaps the loud explosions or the multiple explosions that were heard may have been related to that. But, one, there is no clarity just as yet, and two, after India's 9 precision, strikes at 9 different locations across Pakistan, including in Murid-Ke, very close to Lahore, there is panic in Lahore, in Bahawalpur. There's panic across Pakistan. And questions are being asked of the Pakistani army. What were they doing? What was their air defense system doing? So in all of this, that the armed forces are trying to reassure their nation that the blast being heard is not any action by an adversary. It's a military exercise that's underway.
How do you looking at, Gaurav, the kind of sentiment on the ground? Because perhaps the panic is also resulting from the fact that if Indian armed forces can hit terror targets in Bahawalpur, in areas, for example, like Murid-Ke, which is closer to Lahore, is that one of the reasons of the panic? Because there's no clarity right now about the source of the explosion, but Pakistan clearly realizes India can go ahead and venture. Is that the reason you believe this is happening?
Pooja, you've hit the nail on its head, because this is a very, very critical aspect. I mean, if you look at Murid-Ke, for example, it's just on the outskirts, or it's practically Lahore. And if Murid-Ke can be targeted, the Pakistan Army would also realize that its 4 Corps headquarters, the Lahore Corps headquarters, is less than 20 kilometers away. If Murid-Ke can be targeted, and if Pakistan were to target any military installation in India, then the Lahore Corps is also, equally targetable by the scalp and hammer missiles and kits. Similarly, if Bahawalpur can be targeted, then the 31 Corps of the Pakistan Army, which is in Bahawalpur and barely 20 kilometers from this side, it can be targeted with Indian aircraft well within Indian territory. Pakistan is such a narrow country. Any part of Pakistan, all the way up to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and Baluchistan, can easily be targeted either by rockets, missiles, or air-to-ground systems in India. Not that India desires that, but in case Pakistan were to escalate. And now Pakistani civil society, their leadership to an extent, they are realizing that the Pakistan army that pocketed crores and crores in the name of fighting India is unable to defend Pakistan when, there is an act of retribution to punish Pakistan army-backed terrorism. So that message is also going across. India is imposing costs on Pakistan's military terror network, like it did with this Operation Sindoor, which marks a paradigm shift in dealing with Pakistan's state terror.